Guys, let's take a look at FET or Fetch.ai. And I put this on the weekly time frame because I wanted you to see something here. Basically, when Fetch broke above this Fibonacci here, you can see it broke very strongly upwards. And just for like, what, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, just went up. And it never really retested this Fibonacci here, if you can see where my cursor is. And over here, it never really broke above this level here. And you can see it got rejected. And the only time it ever retested this bottom side of this Fibonacci was in this week here. And it ended up falling through. And, basically the bear market started for Fetch AI. Now, we broke above this, Fibonacci here, and we just never really retested this level to see if this was support or whatever. So, yeah, I mean, we came back a couple of weeks ago, the week of August the 5th, and retested the level, and since then we've gotten the bounce. Now, the week after it wasn't so convincing. It was kind of a shooting star, which is a bad sign, actually. You don't want to see candles like this, of course. But this week we are getting convincing bounce. So, yeah, I mean, we retested this Fibonacci finally, and we're working our way up. Basically, we're at just over $1. So this is kind of a psychological level, as I like to point out. $1, $2, $3. It's going to be a psychological level for most people, because people don't want to buy at $1; they want to buy at 90 cents, now, or 88 or something like this. So they're probably hoping for a fallback, but we'll see. At the moment, I haven't marked out any real resistances, like daily or weekly resistances here. Just wanted to show you also that this trend line, basically, yeah, Fetch hasn't got above this trend line in quite a while. It's been, it started the trend in March, the week of March 25th, which is actually my birthday week. And you can see it got rejected once here. Actually, probably got rejected here too. Got a bigger rejection here. Looks like it touched here almost. Maybe was a few dollars away. But like I always say, guys, these resistances and these lines are not 100% perfect. So you can probably count that. I think it's close enough. This one didn't get up there, but yeah, I mean, all in all, you can just say we got rejected probably 3 or 4 times here along the way down. So this is the, we got to break the Fibonacci here at about $1.22, let's say. And after that, we probably will have to deal with this, resistance here. But being on the weekly time frame, and almost at the end of the week, we're coming to, well, we're probably in the middle of this week, we can say. But coming to the end. So we may hit this resistance next week. And basically, we'll probably end up hitting the resistance and the Fibonacci at the same time. If we don't see any, major moves from Fetch today or tomorrow, probably the weekend could be calm, I imagine. But anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is keeping this 60.2 support at the moment. That's a daily support. Still trying to break through 61.3, and it's just not happening, guys. So I'm not sure why, but we need to really get through this level soon. And move up to 63.1, 63.8. So economically, basically, tomorrow you have Jackson Hole continuing, and we have the Fed Chair Powell speaking. I don't believe anything is going to come from this, really. And Saturday you have Jackson Hole, finishing up, I think, and the ECB's Lane is speaking. And again, nothing's going to be, said that, probably will affect the market that much. I think it'll be a general speech, much like Chair Powell. They're not going to show their cards right away. So anyways, guys, basically CME, by the way, is about 3/4 believing that there's going to be a 1/4 point cut. Another, quarter of people believe there's going to be a 1/2 point cut, but you can probably forget that at this point. In November and December, I also believe there's going to be a 1/4 point cut as well. I think even in January, they might skip the cut and reevaluate by March. And we'll see. But January, it's a little bit hopeful, I can say, or wishful thinking from many people believing we're going to be at 4 to 4.25, basis points. So that means along the way, we probably will get like a 50 basis cut, either in like November or December, maybe even January, but I don't believe it. I think maximum will be here, 4.25 to 4.5. But like I said, probably going to take a break in January and just reevaluate. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I got for you on Fetch.ai. It looks like it's moving over the $1 mark now. It's at 101. So that's a good sign, And if we put this on the hourly chart, yeah, we were even higher today. So yeah, let's see what happens. And I wish you guys luck. I do want to I do want to tell you I do have some of this coin myself. So keep in mind, I am a fan of Fetch.ai and Ocean and whatever they are going to become later. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.